Okay, yeah, so of course I'm goofing off with my brand new truck. Here it is on the inside. Here's where I put our glass and stuff. Here's our tickets that we use. This is one of my stops on Hampton. There's our rack that they all go in. So I just take and I pick them. So I'll do that. Hold on a sec. Okay, yeah, so I delivered 2 windshields. Then I had a pickup for one windshield and 2 pieces of tempered. Lower that door down. Man, close the door back for them. So do little shit like that. Anyways, going back to the truck now. There we go. And let me get you inside the truck here so you can see the beautiness of this truck. Look at my tickets here real quick. I always keep my tickets in a certain order so I can dig through them easier later. Buckle up for safety. Alright, now I gotta go to one more stop. And my delivery day is done. Here comes the crank. And nice. Dash navigation, cruise control, radio control, telephone control, Bluetooth control. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, so back to driving. I hope you enjoyed it.